This is a 2010 Infiniti EX35. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, heated seats, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.